Designing on a budget? Blinds.com offers many custom window treatments that will stretch your design dollars farther than you thought possible. When you order from us, you'll typically save 50% versus working with an in-home designer. Here are some tips. Because of their simplicity, roller shades provide a lot of pizzazz at an affordable price. Browse our vast array of roller shade fabrics, which include fashion colors, textures, prints, and jacquards, and a wide range of opacities. Check out some of our single-cell honeycomb shades, available in a beautiful palette of colors. Not only are they custom made at an affordable price, they will help you lower your energy bills for years to come. Large picture windows and patio doors don't have to be expensive to cover. Vertical blinds often offer the best solution for these applications and come in a pleasant range of vinyl textures and fabrics. If you want to match your paint or woodwork and need superior light control, try out our faux wood blinds. Durable and economical, they'll cover your window in style and adjust as the light changes throughout the day. Need custom blinds at the lowest possible price? Mini blinds are a popular choice, sporting a rich color palette, great light control, and great value. A final tip. When you find a category of products you're interested in, enter the size of your window and sort by price to find the least expensive option. To learn more about how to choose the perfect window covering for your needs, check out our other great How to Choose videos, or just give us a call at 1-800-505-1905.